आपने वो वीडियो तो ज़रूर देखा होगा जहां एक प्रैंकस्टर सेंजो लंदन के इस्कॉन गोविंदास वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट में गया था. He went there just to pull off one of the most disrespectful and insensitive pranks. वो अंदर गया, पूछा, "Do you serve meat?" और फिर उसने KFC का चिकन बकेट निकाल लिया और सबके सामने खाने लगा और उसने डायनासोर स्टाफ को भी ऑफर किया.
Hi, is this a vegan restaurant? No. So there's no meat, no nothing.
No meat, no onion, no garlic.
Are you sure? Like there's no meat? Okay. Okay. It's a tip. Okay. Okay. Well, in that case,
What is this? Oh my God, Prabhu! Go outside, please. Prabhu, it's not Prabhu. Go outside, please.
What do you want?
He's eating chicken here.
No, that's the vegetarian shop. We can't eat him. Get out. Call to Kakarama.
throw some. Throw some. Throw some. Throw some. Chicken.
This video went viral within no time और लोगों ने उसे बहुत क्रिटिसाइज किया for mocking religious sentiments and showing complete disregard for someone's faith. ISKCON, जिसे हम इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी फॉर कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस के नाम से जानते हैं, एक स्पिरिचुअल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो भक्ति और शांति का प्रचार करती है. Their core ideology is spreading love and devotion towards Lord Krishna through chanting, service and living a pure, compassionate life. After massive outrage and backlash, Senzo ने finally apologize किया. He said, "If I had known that the restaurant was within the temple, I would have never done that." उसने ये भी कहा कि उसका intention कहीं भी किसी भी religious sentiments को hurt करने का नहीं था, and he regrets his actions deeply.
As you can see, when I realized that I was walking into the temple and I have generally no business there to be in such a religious place, I took myself out of the equation, apologized, and I went into the vegan restaurant where I was going to go do my pranking. Now, if I had known that that vegan restaurant was with the temple, I would have never filmed that prank in that specific restaurant and I'd have left. I have made direct contact with the restaurant where I will be visiting them soon to offer a face-to-face apology to them, where those were the real people I really did upset, as God knows what they must be going through, seeing themselves blasted all over social media over something that, I would call a joke, but in reality it was not a joke.
The content creator, जिसके लगभग 6000 सब्सक्राइबर्स है, admitted that it was wrong. The real question that arises is this: can it be ever justified to stage a prank at an eatery associated with a particular religious faith, especially when such an act risks offending sentiments, whether intentionally or not, under the guise of humor? Adding to that, ISKCON के devotees ने भी reply किया, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा रिवेंज लिया that people are calling it the coolest revenge on social media. ISKCON के डिवोटी KFC आउटलेट के बाहर खड़े होकर हरे कृष्णा हरे रामा का जाप कर रहे थे. Instead of getting angry or abusing him back, उन्होंने चूज किया शांति और भक्ति का रास्ता. This peaceful and spiritual response won hearts all over the internet, showing that the true devotees spread love and positivity even in the face of insult. ISKCON ने एक ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट रिलीज किया और उनका कहना था, "We forgive and sincerely pray for the perpetrators of this undignified act." ये इंसिडेंट हमें ये सिखाता है कि असली शक्ति गुस्से में नहीं बल्कि शांति और भक्ति में होती है. Because in the end, it's not about how you react, it's about how you rise above and inspire others with your actions. This is Rahul Sharma from India Today NE.